Coins are more than just money. They can be art, history, and collectibles. Today we'll explore 3 types of coins: proof coins, commemorative coins, and common coins. Common coins are the ones we use every day. These are mass-produced for circulation and are designed for regular transactions. You'll find them in your wallet, used in stores, and exchanged daily. Proof coins are specially made for collectors. They are not meant for everyday use. These coins are struck using polished dies and high-quality blanks, giving them a mirror-like background and detailed design. They are often sold in protective cases and have a much higher value than regular coins. Commemorative coins are created to honor important events, people, or milestones. These coins may celebrate national heroes, anniversaries, or cultural achievements. Some commemorative coins can be used as legal tender, but many are collected for their meaning and design. Let's compare them quickly. Common coins are for everyday use. Proof coins are made for collectors with the highest quality finish. Commemorative coins celebrate important events and history. Each type of coin has its own value. Common coins are useful, proof coins are beautiful, and commemorative coins tell stories. Collecting them can be both a hobby and an investment.